Hello, good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to apply formatting to cells using a simple drag of the mouse. So in this worksheet, I have sales for 2018, and you observe that it has a particular formatting style, a blue fill for the header and a gray for the content. I want to apply the same formatting to the 2019 sales next to it. So to do this, I'll simply highlight the range of cells for 2018, click the bottom right, and then drag onto 2019. Temporarily, you get 2018 copied, but when you look down, you see this icon, autofill options. Click inside and then choose fill formatting only. So fill formatting only now applies only the formatting. You can also do it going downwards. So if I have sales for West, say this amount, and I want to apply this format to the cell below, I'll just drag this onto it and then click and then choose fill formatting only. It applies the format. So please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. You can go to our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity, for all our old videos. Click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.